Let's get my food now.
What do you want to drink, man? They got, let's see.
No shakes? Oh, I can't. It sucks I can't have ice cream. But I want a shake.
No.
It's the only time I can get ice cream. It's the only time.
Okay, can I get a peanut butter shake? Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Do you have wraps?
We do.
Okay, what kind of wraps do you have?
We have crispy or grilled, or we also have the flamethrower wraps, which have like the flamethrower sauce, like the burger sauce on it.
Okay, can I get one of the flamethrower wraps?
Crispy or grilled.
Make it crispy and no cheese on that, please.
Okay.
And I'll have onion rings with it too.
You should have gave me ranch.
Can I get blue raspberry misty slush?
And you said onion rings with yours also?
Yes.
And what size slush?
Medium.
What else can I get for you today?
That'll be all.
Don't
Okay, that's
die.
All right, thank you.
Do not die, phone. It won't die, y'all. Let's say it won't die. It's at 28%. What the heck's it at my eyes? They're moving by themselves.
Yeah, Bob.
They must be giving something away here tonight, huh?
Yeah, must be.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go right up the street here on the left side, Skywise. So we'll just pull in that lot, okay?
Okay.
So just when you go through, you'll just go right up here. You'll see us up there, okay?
Yep.
All right, bye. Bye-bye.
All right.
We're behind. Brakes them down. You guys. Hello. Yeah. Oh, yes. You got it. Sure. Okay. Food time. Daddy got that. My peanut butter shake. Yes.
Can I pull up there? Alright, you're welcome. Am I in your way? Sorry.
Sorry, y'all.
searching to find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive plan, yeah. It's your primitive plan, yeah.
826.
I like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Put the pussy on ya like I told ya. Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya. Your girl acting stink, then call me over. Not on the bed, lay me on your sofa. Call before you come, I need to shave my choke cha. You do or you don't, or you will, I won't cha. Go downtown and eat it like a vulture. See my hips and my tips don't cha. See my ass and my lips don't cha. Lost a few pounds in my whips, oh ya. It's the kind of beat that go ba-ta-ta. Ba-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. It sets me so good, I say blah, blah, blah. Work it, I need a glass of water. Boy, yo, boy, it's good to know ya. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive plan yet. It's your
I want to sit in the chair.
if you got a big one, let me search it to find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive plan yet.
Mupping gonna start.
It's your primitive plan yet. If you a fly gal, get your nails done, get a pedicure, get your hair did. Boy, lift it up, let's make a toast. Let's get drunk, this gon' bring us closer. Don't I look like a Holly Berry poster? See the Belvedere playing tricks on ya. Your friend wanna be like me, never. You won't find a bitch that's even better. I make it hot as Las Vegas weather. Listen up close while I take it backwards. Oh, guy begins to get.
So now it's the hard part, y'all.
Hold your shit together and start.
I'm just doing a mukbang, and this is recommended by thousands of people. I'm getting out.
Get out and come up here.
It's not easy to stand doing a mukbang. Gotta do somehow, okay? It's a mukbang. I gotta have. Get off of me, mask. Hey guys. Hey, they got somewhere to sit for us. There's nobody else. 2 chairs right here. Guys, Deb. Chicken sandwich. Crispy chicken sandwich. Yeah. There's somewhere to sit, so we're good. I'm just doing my own mukbang, and I'm gonna. See, guys, I got peanut butter shake. Look at that. Yep.
There, back. Hold on.
Yep. No. He's calling my mom, I think. Try to get everything presentable. You know what I'm saying? So, here. You guys.
What? It completely ruined the range. Oh, it's perfect. No. I want the little green cup.
How you doing, Matt?
Pretty good.
Easy. Good over here. Sit.
The class, the crispy. No, not the grill. this sandwich don't fall apart. Yeah.
Blaine, did you get a fork? You don't need a fork? Well, I'm gonna take it because mine's barbecue. Why is your tongue hanging out? I might need to. Is it getting all ready?
Make that right.
Sauce on my
Sit down.
shirt.
Sit. Daisy.
We're getting ready to put another
Right.
shrimp on the barbie.
Daisy, sit.
Daisy.
You ready to put another shrimp on the barbie?
Yeah. But she needs to learn.
Matt says you talking to Mama.
Yeah.
You doing all right?
Mm-hmm.
You fishing?
Yeah, everything's all right.
You said Carl's gonna work tomorrow?
No.
You ever in that school, Jim?
Huh?
You ever in there?
Oh.
You ever been in there, Jess? You did? No, Blaine. There's some LH students that come here.
Yeah.
Uniontown students.
Sit.
But they're closed.
Daisy, sit.
They're closed.
Daisy, sit.
No, they're in there. There's students in there right now.
There is?
You and your dad's gonna deliver some, take some of them home. We'll miss the bus. You gonna ride the bus this year like you did before, Matt? Or you gonna walk?
Girl.
He's gonna walk.
Gonna walk?
I wonder what the plan's gonna be with the buses.
I don't know.
Good girl.
Do you want my other ranch then?
You don't like it at all, do you?
I'm eating some of it, but I don't need two of them. I like the kind they used to have in the thing with the green.
You should have got the original ranch, and this is the homemade.
Well, I didn't know that they have an option. I don't know.
I thought you was just,
No, I don't think they even
I
have
thought you
the
was
other
just
one.
funning.
Yeah, they had those ranches there.
Daisy,
Well-
sit. Hey,
Thanks for telling me now.
You don't like ranch dressing at all, do you, Joe? Matt does.
You don't like it?
He don't like pork rinds either.
No.
Daisy, sit down.
you sit.
She just like gets like.
She's just like
He's
itching
like-
to get up.
Your mother said Sissy drinks about a gallon.
Yeah, she likes. That's.
Of ranch.
Yeah.
My mom likes it, but not as much as she does.
Yeah.
And I do.
Hey, Bob, you ready for this? I get him hot dogs from Sheets. They had ketchup, mustard, and sauerkraut on. He dips them in ranch.
That sounds like a good combination.
One of them to dip everything in ranch.
That's it. Yep.
That ranch is so good. I made a ranch from a packet, but it was Kroger brand.
Yeah.
But you could just tell it wasn't quite as good as Hidden Valley. I mean, it's still good. Okay.
I know the other day Matt got ketchup and mustard on his McChicken.